Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a specific piece of connectivity hardware, the Clicktronic Casual Standard HDMI cable with Ethernet. This particular model is identified as the 10070-309 and stands out primarily due to its substantial length, measuring in at a full 20 meters. For anyone needing to bridge a significant distance between their source device and display, this length is a key feature. This is described as a high-speed HDMI cable, which is crucial for handling modern video signals. It's specifically noted as being suitable for full HD and 3D television setups, indicating it has the bandwidth required for those resolutions and formats. The inclusion of an Ethernet channel within the cable is another notable point. This means that if both your connected devices support HDMI Ethernet channel, HEC, they can share an internet connection through the HDMI cable itself, potentially reducing the number of cables needed behind your entertainment system. The cable features gold-plated connectors. Gold plating is commonly used in connectors to resist corrosion and ensure a stable, reliable connection over time, which is particularly important for maintaining signal integrity, especially over a longer run like 20 meters. The brand behind this cable is Clicktronic, and they back this product with a significant manufacturer's warranty of 10 years. A decade-long warranty suggests a high level of confidence from the manufacturer in the durability and performance of the cable. Considering its specifications, high speed, Ethernet capability, gold-plated connectors, and that impressive 20-meter length, this cable is positioned as a robust solution for connecting compatible devices over distances where standard shorter cables simply won't reach. Its design aims to provide a reliable link for high-definition video and audio, plus the added benefit of network connectivity if the equipment supports it. The focus here is on providing a dependable connection for demanding visual formats like full HD and 3D, ensuring the signal arrives clearly and without degradation over the extended distance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.